The British LMM Martlet missile systems were quite successful in destroying Russian drones in Ukraine, but now in this stunning video of Ukraine's 95th Air Assault Brigade is showing how a soldier is destroying Russian Ka-52 helicopter with Martlet Manpad. Previously, one Manpad's operator personally shot down 9 enemy air reconnaissance vehicles which were adjusting artillery fire on Ukrainian positions.
Yes!
Попав!
Попав! Попав же ж?
Попав, але вона йде на зниження.
This is also one of the best combat videos from Ukraine, which shows Russian armored column with T-80BV tanks and BMPs targeted by Ukraine's 93rd Mechanized Brigade. Looks like a possible mine strike. At the end, the crew simply fled from their vehicles because they were afraid of the minefield. Ukraine's forces simply can left alone Russians on occupied Snake Island. This is TB2 drone footage showing strikes on Russian positions, where they destroyed a Russian Pantsir-S. Now that US HIMARS rocket systems are put in use in Ukraine, this is reportedly the first footage of the aftermath of a Ukrainian HIMARS MLRS strike in the Izium area. The Russian Starshety channel said one of their salvos killed 2 and wounded several. At the end, video of an ammunition depot in Zaimohirya, Luhansk Oblast on fire. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.